How to restart old Samsung phone without power button. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to restart your Samsung phone even if the power button isn't working. Whether this is stuck, broken, or unresponsive, these methods will help you reboot your device without needing a power button. If your Samsung phone's power button isn't working, you can still restarting using a few alternative methods depending on the model and the state of the device. Let's get started. Method 1. Using the accessibility menu. Go to Settings, tap on Accessibility, select Interaction, enable the Assistant menu. A floating icon will appear on your screen. Tap the floating icon, then choose Power and select Restart. This method is effective if your phone is powered on and responsive. Method 2. Using IDB commands. This method requires USB debugging to be enabled and access to a computer. Connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. On your computer, open the command prompt or terminal. Type the following command. And now press Enter. Your phone will initiate a reboot process. Method 3. Force restart via key combination. Press and hold the volume down and volume up buttons simultaneously. While holding the volume buttons, connect your phone to a charger or a computer using a USB cable. Continue holding the buttons until the device restarts or enters recovery mode. If in recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate to Reboot System Now and confirm with the Home or Bixby button. Method 4. Schedule the power on/off. Open Settings, navigate to Battery and Device Care, tap on Auto Optimization, select Auto Restart, and then set a scheduler for your device to restart automatically at a specific time. This method ensures your phone restarts periodically without manual intervention. These are the methods to restart your Samsung phone without using the power button. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.